Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect QuickBooks API to N8N step by step. So step 1, sign in to your N8N cloud or self-hosted instance. Step 2, on the left panel, click on New Workflow to create a new automation. Step 3, click the plus icon to add a new node. Search for the HTTP request if QuickBooks doesn't appear by default. Step 4, in another tab, go to the QuickBooks Developer Portal and log in. Step 5, create a new app. Copy the client ID and client secret. Step 6, in N8N, set up OAuth 2.0 authentication using the credentials that you just copied. Step 7, add the base URL for QuickBooks API and specify the GET or POST request depending on the data that you need. Step 8, test the node and make sure that you get a valid response. Once everything works, hit execute node to confirm it's connected. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.